Oh, I'm just too excited. Too excited to bring you these. We're going to start with, and these are all, they're $29.99 today and tomorrow. They'll go up to $39, except this one. This is a stretch silk. 100% silk. It's a navy. This fabric is just stunningly beautiful. It's just so pretty. It's fun to burn, too. I gotta tell you, I burned a piece of it. That's a navy stretch silk. And the burning is beautiful on all of these. So the first one, I'm gearing these to two of the new patterns. 126, which is the peekaboo cowl, which has really good drape, and then 926 is Coos jacket. So the first one is 126, but they can be worn together. This is the jacket, perfect for the jacket. This is 100% viscose. It has stretch in one direction, has stretch in both directions actually. 100% viscose, just textured, beautiful piece of fabric, perfect for that jacket. And I've had that jacket 926 in a workshop. It fits beautifully. I had two ladies do it, and both of them fit beautiful. And you can play with the lightness of the fabric. I was really surprised how light it could be and still worked really well. This is 100% viscose. It's a white. The reason I'm bringing in white, number one, because it blends so well with this, but white is still being shown in tops, t-shirts, and it's just gorgeous. So this is a viscose, stretch in both directions, gorgeous piece of fabric. This is a brown and a navy, a brown and blue together, 100% viscose, beautiful piece of fabric. I think both sides could be used. It has stretch in both directions. Just a lovely, lovely knit. Now, those are designers. The three are designers that I couldn't say. This one I can say, this is a Dolce & Gabbana. This is 100% viscose. Is that beautiful? Now, this is heavy enough that you could use it for the jacket, the 926, or, you could do something lighter out of it. It'd be a beautiful cowl. It's one of those fabrics that just works for so many things. It's a brown and then a black. It's brown and black together. Then this last one is just perfect for 126. The little scarf that goes along with it. It's beautiful. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both direction. And again, these are all $29.99 today and tomorrow, and then they will go up to $39.99 actually. The goal, of course, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.